Isa ang dancing sa pinakamainam na paraan para mag-exercise. Enjoy ka na nga sa paghataw, nagbo-burn ka pa ng calories. Kaya't nang mapadpad sa Pinas ang dance-based workout na Zumba, instant hit ito sa mga Pinoy. Kombinasyon ito ng mga sayaw na mula sa iba't ibang parte ng mundo. Merong belly dancing, salsa, rumba at marami pang iba. Ang kadalasang laman ng dance floor ay mommies at teenagers. Pero alam nyo ba mga ka-game, meron na ring Zumba for kids and senior citizens?
Sabi nga nila, age is just a number. Kaya kahit ano pang edad mo, pwede ka pa rin humataw.
Ang Zumbatomic ay dance fitness program para sa mga batang 4 to 12 years old. Hinahaluan ng games ang sayaw para maengganyo ang mga bata. Isa sa 3 licensed Zumbatomic instructors sa Pilipinas, si Christy Enriquez.
It's a fairly new program here in Manila and we'd like to grow it some more kasi we want to encourage them to have fitness as a regular part of their daily lives.
Tulad ng regular na Zumba, Latin-based din ang mga sayaw na tinuturo sa mga bata. Pero syempre, mas madali ang steps.
Magtuturo ako ng choreography and then at the end of the class, iprepresent nila yon to their parents, ganyan.
Malaking tulong daw ang pagsasayaw sa physical, mental at emotional development ng mga bata.
Hindi lamang siya nakakapag-boost ng metabolism at saka nakakapag-increase ng coordination ng bata. Pero ang nagagawa rin niya, yung focus ng bata na i-increase din niya as well as yung creativity, yung ganyan ba. So parang nagkakaroon ng discipline ba yung bata kapag siya'y nagzuzumba.
Ang dami palang benefits ng Zumbatomic. Parents, you've made the right choice.
I encourage my kids to join the Zumba Atomic because it's fun and it's also try to get new friends, get along with other new kids. So basically, it's all fun.
Actually, this is just very recent for them, but they like to choreograph.
Yeah.
These 2 girls, they enjoy dancing in front of the family gatherings.
So it makes them more creative.
Yes.
Tsaka they like music
really
na.
creative.
Ano naman kaya ang say ng ating little Zumba stars?
So why do you like Zumba? Let's start with you.
I like Zumba because it makes our bones strong. I love the Zumba because you can do any dance and you can do anything if you want.
Kung merong Zumba for babies, meron ding Zumba for the young at heart. Zumba Gold ang tawag sa dance fitness program para sa senior citizens. Si Rowena Aquino ang kauna-unahan at nag-iisang Zumba Gold instructor sa Pilipinas.
It is slower in pace, so it's mostly low impact, but it also gives it is also created with a party-like atmosphere.
Yes.
So everyone is actually enjoying without realizing that they're actually working out.
Tingnan nyo naman, fit na fit pa rin sila kahit may edad na. Mainam kasi na cardiovascular exercise ang Zumba. Nakakatulong din umano ang Zumba para manatiling matalas ang pag-iisip ng senior citizens.
It's good for people that are, afraid of Alzheimer's, because dancing is proven to be medically proven to be one of those that slows down that process because of the ability of the mind to work and follow steps.
Kamusta yung class kanina?
Oh yeah, we had so much fun.
Yes, and
Look at us. 1 hour and we're
Very-
sweating.
very active.
Because, you feel good after dancing and then
And you sweat a lot. You sweat a lot.
Ang mga babaeng ito ay patunay na hindi hadlang ang pagkakaroon ng edad from living an active lifestyle.
Bata man or senior citizen na, pwede pa rin humataw sa Zumba. This is Rima Chanko for Game.